Hello students, now today we will be starting fifth question, first part, and the question is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 20 degree. So we are given that measure of each exterior angle is equal to 22 degree. Now we have to check that can we have a regular polygon with this exterior angle. So if the number of sides comes out to be a whole number, it means this polygon is possible, and if it is not a whole number, it comes in a fraction, then this polygon is not a regular polygon. So calculate the number of sides, and the formula for number of sides was sum of exterior angles. Now you can write 360 degree, as you have calculated that in each case it's always 360 degree. So number of sides is equal to sum of exterior angles divided by measure of each exterior angle. So that comes out to be 360 degree divided by 22. Do the cancelling and it comes out to be 180 by 11. Now you can check that it cannot be further cancelled out. So this is only the lowest term. So now it's not equal to a whole number. You can see it's not equal to a whole number. So you will write the result now. Now it's clear that if it is not a whole number, it means this is not a regular polygon. And if it comes out to be a whole number, 2, 3, 5, 7, 22, 27 means complete number aa jata, then this regular polygon is possible. So you will write, so we cannot have a regular polygon with each exterior angle as 22 degree. The next part is, can it be an interior angle? It means we are talking about the same angle as 22 degree. Can 22 degree be the interior angle of a regular polygon? Now it is interior angle. How to calculate number of sides? For number of sides we need to calculate exterior angle. So measure of each interior angle is given to you as 22, and exterior angle is equal to 180 minus interior angle, and exterior angle comes out to be 158 degrees. So this is the measure of each exterior angle. Now calculate the number of sides. So number of sides is equal to sum of exterior angles divided by measure of each exterior angle. 360 divided by 158, and in the lowest form it is 180 degree upon 79 degree. Now this is the lowest form. Now you can clearly see that it's not a whole number. So if it is not a whole number, it means this polygon with measure 158 degree as exterior angle or 22 degree as interior angle is not a regular polygon. So you will write the result. So 22 degree cannot be interior angle of a regular polygon. Question number 6 is, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? So beta, first of all we need to find what is the minimum number of sides of a polygon. That is, polygon with minimum number of sides is, can we know? It's triangle and it has 3 sides. And if we talk about regular polygon of 3 sides, it's always equilateral triangle. Now if you talk about equilateral triangle, now in an equilateral triangle, all these 3 angles are equal. If we calculate by ASP that all these 3 angles, the sum of these 3, x plus x plus x, it must be equal to what? 180 degree. So 3x is equal to 180 degree and x comes out to be 60 degree. So this was the working of this question. So what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Now as the number of side increases, this angle, interior angle, will keep on increasing. So the polygon with minimum number of sides will only have minimum interior angle. and the measure of that angle is 60 degree. So we will write like this. The minimum number of sides of a polygon is 3 and the regular polygon of 3 sides is, it's called an equilateral triangle. And what is the measure of each interior angle of an equilateral triangle? It's 60 degree. Now in the second part it is asked that what is the maximum exterior angle possible. बेटा किसी भी पॉलीगन में अगर इंटीरियर सबसे कम है देन ओनली द एक्सटीरियर विल बी मैक्सिमम. सो इट इज इन द सेम केस, इट इज इन द केस ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल ओनली, जिसमें 60 डिग्री इंटीरियर सबसे मिनिमम है. अब 60 से कम नहीं हो सकता कोई भी इंटीरियर एंगल और फिर रेगुलर पॉलीगन इफ वी टॉक अबाउट. सो व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम एक्सटीरियर एंगल पॉसिबल फॉर दैट केस? We know that interior plus exterior angle is always equal to 180 degree and this was by linear pair. So if minimum interior is 60 degree, so 60 degree plus exterior angle, it's equal to 180 degree, and the maximum exterior angle possible, maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon, is 120 degree. From where we got 120? 180, when the 60 was this side, 180 minus 60, that's equal to 120 degree, and it is also in the case of equilateral triangle.